that kind of emergency, and during that particular time when you involve or the provoke this emergency situation, then you call it as national emergency. National emergency, that is the you are invoking to counter the threat at the national level, right? The second is that there may be the situation that a particular state is under the threat. For example, let's say Kerala or Punjab or the Gujarat, or currently if you talk about here, Manipur is under the threat, right? The threat that is which is there, the problem which is arising is concentrated in the Manipur. Is there any impact what is happening in the Manipur in the state of Andhra Pradesh? No direct impact. Indirectly, maybe some migrant may come to a state, but that would be the negligible impact, right? So the point here is that if one state is getting affected due to the internal disturbance which is happening in the Manipur, its impact on the neighboring state may be the possible, but whole country may not be impacted. So in that situation, if you are imposing the emergency on the whole country, that is not fair, not required also. So constituent makers decided, let's segregate the emergency into the different part. One is the national emergency, when the whole nation can be under the threat. When a particular state is under the threat, they call it as state emergency. State emergency, right? The third thing is that, see, there may be the possibility that our whole economy get collapsed. See, when your economy gets collapsed, many things will be collapsed, right? Poverty will increase. People won't get enough food to eat. They start dying also. Along with that, what can happen is that there will be the more competition for the resources. There will be the more unemployment. There will be large scale migration. People will start moving away from our country and start going to other country. There is a possibility that if our economy is getting collapsed or economy is under the threat of collapse, that can also create an extraordinary situation, and to control that particular situation also government needs some power, additional power, and that they call it as financial emergency. So there in the constitution there are three kinds of emergencies are there: national emergency, state emergency, which is also called as the president rule. Why it is called president rule, we'll discuss it. Then there third is the financial emergency.